Raffles College of Higher Education in Singapore is an institution on the cutting edge of design education, teaching best new practice to students at every step of the design process, from conceptualization to realization. Raffles Design is reshaping boundaries and putting sustainability at the heart of creativity. Raffles College offers design programs in animation design, digital media design, fashion design, interior design, jewelry design, product design, visual communication design, and video game design, as well as programs in design management, merchandising, business, and psychology. Common to each of these disciplines, an emphasis on sustainable concepts and practices.
Sustainability is absolutely essential in design today. It goes beyond just using eco-friendly materials. It's about creating spaces that are efficient and have a minimal environmental impact. Education in design is much more interdisciplinary, combining traditional design principles with technology, sustainability, and human-centered approaches. Design education now encourages students to think critically about how their work impacts the environment, communities, and individuals. The approach is much more holistic, blending creativity with real-world problem solving.
But how else is Raffles setting itself apart from other institutions?
Global perspective combined with a strong emphasis on industry-relevant and hands-on learning. This blend of creativity, technical skills, and industry exposure make Raffles a standout choice for aspiring designers.
With close links to industry, as well as 16 campuses across 9 countries, Raffles students also benefit from project-based and collaborative placements with industry all around the world. 𝗕𝗂𝗫𝗵𝗏𝗃 started his design education at Raffles campus in Mumbai before transferring to the Singapore campus through the Raffles College network to complete his bachelor's degree, a move that led to a top-level career in the industry.
The transfer program, that means I did my bachelor's degree in Raffles Design Singapore, so that exposed me to a lot of different companies and organizations I could apply for in Singapore. We have students from everywhere here, so actually it gives you a lot of insight into different cultures, different languages, and also the design style that other classmates have. So we actually learn from the others as well.
It was a move that saw Rohan awarded the SG Design Mark Award in 2014.
It was for a revolutionary fitness product that we were designing, a fitness machine which was designed to be a bit more homely, a bit more ergonomic, a bit more stylish and minimalistic at the same time, making it user-friendly and different from typical robust-looking fitness machines.
Thanks, Terence. Nice to see you again.
We maintain a strong connection with our international industry partners, and through collaborative projects, our students have a lot of opportunities to, number one, to develop international perspectives in design, and number two, to showcase their talents on the international stage. For example, last year, through Opera Gallery, our students had the privilege to work on exhibition design project with 𝗕𝗂𝗫𝗵𝗏𝗃, globally renowned street art artists from the United States. Our industrial partner extend beyond the art scene, spanning across a variety of industries. For example, in the retail sector, we have international brands like Muji. In the tech space, IBM and HP. In entertainment, Universal Studio, and in advertising, collaborations and guidance from international ad agency, TBWA, DDB. All this is part of our Raffles strategies to empower our students to build their success stories on the international stage.
Good business by design. With its global approach, offering programs across different cities in Asia and Europe, and with sustainability as an intrinsic part of learning, Raffles Design is playing a critical role in reshaping the design of the future.